Hi friends, I am Mahendra Patel, an IELTS trainer. Today I am going to discuss with one of my students, Arya, who has got 7.5 bands in recent IELTS exam. So we are going to discuss overview of all IELTS tests. So Arya, are you ready?
Yes.
So first of all, I want to know about your overall exam. So which was your favorite module and how was your exam?
Listening was my personal favorite because and in that module I scored the highest bands and it was 8.5 in listening.
So let's talk about listening module, right? As you have told that you have scored 8.5 in listening, right? So tell me, why did you score 8.5 bands? Was it easy or difficult?
It was very easy for me because in listening I was very confident that I can score up to 8 bands and I got my desired band in that module.
Okay, most of the candidates always expect more and more or high bands in listening, right? So tell me something about how was your exam in all four section, which kind of question were asked?
In section 1 and section 4, there were filling the blanks in which you have to answer in one word or a number. And in section 2, there were multiple choice questions, and same in section 3. But in section 3, there were multiple choice questions with multiple answers.
Okay, so which kind of question seems to be more difficult for the candidates according to you?
According to me, the most difficult part of listening is multiple choice questions, and I think the half band that I got less in my listening module is because of that.
Okay, so for all candidates, same problem happening with them, right?
Yes.
Okay, so next question is which types of tricks and tips did you follow, and who gave you those tricks?
My sir Mahendra Patel gave me many tips and tricks regarding to listening module, which actually worked for me. And the foremost tip that everyone gives is that you should practice more and more because only practice can improve your listening module.
Okay, as I have heard that most of the students are doing practice of listening. So did you do any kind of listening practice, like were you listening any audio or podcast?
Yes, in the initial days, I was facing difficulty in understanding the accent of the audio, but my sir suggested me to listen to more and more news and podcasts, which can make the understanding of the accent more easier and familiar.
Okay, when you start your preparing IELTS and you started listening module, so in initial state, how many bands did you use to score out of 40 or something?
Out of 40, I used to get like 30 to 31 questions correct. But slowly, when I started to practice and listen to more and more audios, then I boosted my score from 32 questions to like 40 or 39 questions.
Okay, the last question is that the synonyms, the words which have similar meanings are important in listening or not?
Yes, they are very important in listening because in listening you never hear the same word. Always they use the synonym or similar word to that particular word. So it is very important to know different synonyms.
Along with the synonyms, the order of the sentence is important because when you listen the audio, they will change the order of the sentence. So that might be also useful.
Yes, you should always listen carefully to the order of sentence, and you should always try to score maximum in your section 1 because it is the easiest section in which you can boost your score.
Okay, so as we have heard that she has scored 8.5 bands in listening module, which is incredible score for each and everyone who wants to desire to go to abroad, right? But main thing is that most of the students have practice of understanding the question because of lack of understanding, and that's why, as she has suggested, that you have to do practice listening audio or any kind of news that can help you to boost your confidence. So now in next video we are going to discuss about another module, and that will be listening or reading or speaking. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching this video.